Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. Look at this beautiful oasis that we're sitting here in the backyard. I can't wait to show you the rest of this house.
Yes, we are in the coveted community of Summerwood on the west end of Panama City Beach. Great little spot with a community pool. We can't wait to show you the home.
Yes.
Hey there, we're over here in this home in Summerwood, very popular community. I love the open concept living to dining. Just enough space in this 3-2. We don't have to worry about carpet in the main areas, and a lot of natural light flows in to the gorgeous backyard. Nice kitchen spot, plenty of extra counter space, a little breakfast nook. We have stainless steel appliances with this kitchen leading right off to the garage. It's very convenient floor plan. Let's go see what Heather has in store for us in the ensuite.
Welcome into the main ensuite. I love this 3-2 floor plan. It's split bedrooms. So you've got your ensuite right over here, and over there you've got the added bedrooms. There's so much space in here. You could have your king size bed. You've got all this furniture that you can see is spacious, and I like this little ensuite here. But what's a little extra special is with these windows, if you're laying in bed at night and you're reading your book or you're on your phone, the landscaping is beautiful. She has done designer uplighting and allowed that the outside is as glorious as the inside. It's extra special, and I sure wish we could show that to you at night, but you'll just have to check out those listing photos. Britt, check out this expansive extra lot. I mean, this is a gem. You don't get much extra space in here.
You certainly don't get this kind of extra space in the west end of Panama City Beach.
Exactly.
This is highly coveted. You're close to the beach on this double lot. Renovations.
Exactly. Expand the house if you want more space. Put in a pool. I mean, right here.
Absolutely. Now, this community does have a great community pool, but how nice would it be to have your own private pool in this oasis?
Absolutely. This one's a hidden gem for sure. So for more information, look in the description below. You can get the actual listing link. And you know what? They need to check out the nighttime photos.
Absolutely. The owner herself said at night with the designer landscape lighting, people will actually stop because it looks so gorgeous.
I wish we could get some video for you, but you're just gonna have to trust us.
Yes, absolutely. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals in Panama City Beach.